Hello student, subject General Science, Standard 7th. We see our chapter number 14, Elements, Compounds and Mixtures thoroughly. Today we are going to see an exercise of our chapter number 14, that is Elements, Compounds and Mixtures. Let's see what are the question answer are there in this exercise of our chapter number 14. Question number 1. Who are my companions? Group A and group B is given over here. We have to match the group A with the group B. In group A, first is given stainless steel, second silver, third bhajani, the mixture of mining, fourth salt, fifth coal, sixth hydrogen. In group B, options are here: non-metal, compound, mixtures, elements, alloy and metals. Let's match A to B. Stainless steel is an alloy. Silver is a metal. Bhajani mixer is a type of a mixture. Salt is a compound. Coal is an element and hydrogen is a non-metal. Question 2 was here. Write the names of elements from the following symbols. We have to write the given symbols, elements name. First is there Zn stand for zinc, Cd stand for cadmium, Xe stand for xenon, Br stand for bromine, Ti for titanium. These are the abbreviation forms of the elements that we saw in our chapter number 14. Cu means ferrous or copper, Fe means iron, Si silicon, as well as next is Ir, that is uranium, Pt stand for platinum. After this, question 3 is there. What are the molecular formula of the following compounds? Here are some compounds given. Let's see their molecular formulae. Hydrochloric acid, the molecular formula of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Glucose, that is C6H12 and O6. Question 4 is there. Give scientific reasons. A. Buttermilk is churned to get butter. आपण ताक आहे विद्यार्थ्यांनो ते घुसळलं जातं कशासाठी तर लोणी बाहेर काढण्यासाठी. We all know that churning is one of the method of separation of the particles from the butter which are spread throughout the buttermilk. संपूर्ण ताकामध्ये असणारं सेपरेशन लोण्याचं करण्याकरता चर्निंग म्हणजे घुसळणे या प्रक्रियेचा वापर केला जातो. In chromatography is the ingredients of a mixture rise to the limited height when the water rises up to the upper end of the paper. In chromatography method, two mutually opposite properties of a substances are used. First, solubility of a substance in the solvent that moves upward. The ability of the substance that which are stick to the stationery on a paper, filter paper, these properties are different from the different substances. Also, chromatography is used to separate the ingredients from the mixture which are totally having two different properties. After looking this question, next question is here. Question C. A wet cloth is wrapped around a summer water storage container in summer. उन्हाळ्यामध्ये बहुतेक करून विद्यार्थ्यांनो पिण्याच्या पाण्याच्या किंवा पाण्याच्या ठिकाणी कडेने आपल्याला दिसतं की बऱ्याच वेळा ओला कापड गुंडाळलेला असतो. Very easy, the moisture on the wet cloth evaporate during the summer season and it helps to keep the temperature of the entire water normal. 5. Explain first metals and non-metals. We have to write the difference between these two things. First is metal and second is a non-metal. Let's see what are the distinctions between the metals and the non-metals. First one, metals have a luster while non-metals do not have a luster. Next, metals are malleable while non-metals cannot be get malleable. Third one, metals are ductile while non-metals are not ductile. Next, metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. We all know that non-metals are bad conductor for the heat and electricity. At the normal temperature, metals are in solid state, exception the mercury, which is a metal which is not in a solid state or liquid, it is a semi-solid state. While at a normal temperature, we can see non-metals are heavy rather than the solid state. Exception is then bromine. Normally, metals are having high density like gold, silver, mercury, while the non-metals they not having high density, as example oxygen and hydrogen. Next is there B, mixtures and compounds. Let's see what are the difference seen in mixtures and the compounds. First, mixture, second, compound. In that we see the first point, a mixture is obtained by just adding mixing of two or more substances in any proportion. कोणत्याही प्रमाणामध्ये दोनपेक्षा जास्त वस्तूंचं एकत्रीकरण झालं तर त्याला मिश्रण म्हणतात. द कंपाऊंड इज मेड अप ऑफ टू और मोर एलिमेंट्स, केमिकली कंपाऊंड which are combined and having a fixed proportion. Mixture can be further subdivided into simple substances by the physical process also, while compound can be subdivided into simple substances by chemically process only. The constituents are remain original in mixture, while the constituent and properties are get changed in the compounds. Next, see atom and molecule. What are the difference between the atom and the molecule? Atom आणि molecule यामध्ये असणारा फरक आपल्याला बघायचा आहे. First is here, an atom is the smallest particle in an element that has a properties of element, while a molecule are formed by the combination of two or more atoms. Next, atom. It is not possible to break down the atom further, retaining the properties of an element. Atom is the last part, minute particle, so we cannot divide that. While the molecule can be subdivided and individual atom. For example, water molecule can be further divided into oxygen and the hydrogen. The molecules which are present in atoms that can be get divided. The atoms are bonded together, while the similar molecule only can be get combined together to form a molecule. Atoms is not stable by itself, but the molecule is stable by itself only. Last is here D, separation by distillation and separation by separating funnel. We saw the different separation methods. First is distillation and second is separating by the funnel. For separation of a solute, the solution of the method is distilled is used. For the separation of two immiscible liquids, the method of a separating funnel is used. Next one, heat is given during the separation for the distillation because it collects the water vapor. Heat is not given during any kind of separating by using the funnel. Question 6. Write the following answers of the questions in your own word. A. How are the components of a mixture separated by the simple methods? Answer. There are various methods to separate the mixtures from some of these used to a daily, such as straining, filtering, sifting, picking, winnowing, combining, as well as magnet and the sublimation also. Such methods can be used for the separation of the mixtures. Filtering or straining. In this, it separates the insoluble substances from the given solution. We use the method filtering. Next is sifting, म्हणजे चाळणे. By this can be done to separate the solid or various size of particles, and by this method the smaller particle can be get separate out. Next is speaking of sorting. This method of use directly, and which this is not in this process we cannot use any machines, we can use directly this process. Next, winnowing. The substance which are lighter in a weight that can be removed from the mixture. The grains from the farm are partially get removed by such a method. Fifth, combing with a magnet. It means there are adulterated in semolina with iron. The magnet is combed through it and removing such an iron particle. The mixture that contain the iron particles especially get combined with the magnet. B. Which elements, means metals or non-metals, are the compounds and mixtures do we use in our day-to-day life? Example, metals that we use our day-to-day life, there are iron, gold, silver and copper. Some non-metals we use in our day-to-day life, they are carbon, oxygen, hydrogen and the nitrogen from the air. Some compounds like sugar, salt and oil that we use in our day-to-day life. And some mixtures like soap, alloy of steel, brass, 22 karat gold. Such are some mixtures, things which we use in our day-to-day life. In everyday life, where and for what purpose do we use the configurations? We use the centrifuge machines never done in our common household work. By using method of centrifugation, the particle of a smaller size they get separated due to centrifugation force. Based on this principle, we use a stirrer for making the buttermilk from yogurt. Stirrer helps to separate the particles from the buttermilk to the butter, such a way that these get aggregate and get easily removed from the entire buttermilk. D. Where are the methods of separation by the distillation and the separating funnel used and why? First, what is a distillation? Distillation is the separation method used to separate the impurities or dissolve the salt from the solution. By this method, the solute and the solvent are get separated. For removing the salt from the seawater, distillation method is used, and this helps to making the potable water from the seawater. D is here. Where are the methods of separation by distillation and separating funnel is used? आता funnelचा वापर कशासाठी करतात बघा. When the two liquids of mixtures which are immiscible and which are we have to separate them. For example, oil or diesel, such a gases, if they mix with the water, we can use the method of a funnel. Which precaution will you take while using such a method like a distillation and the separation? For the distillation, the entire apparatus must be get properly set up, because in distillation विद्यार्थ्यांना आपण distillation मध्ये मोस्टली उष्णता देऊन निर्माण झालेली वाफ कलेक्ट करून त्यापासून असणारं त्या मिश्रणातून पदार्थ वेगळे करतो. त्याच पद्धतीने फनेलमध्ये सुद्धा संपूर्ण ॲपरेटसची सेटिंग जी आहे ती अगदी अचूक असली पाहिजे आणि योग्य वेळेमध्ये फनलला स्टॉपर लावला पाहिजे की ज्याद्वारे आपल्याला सेपरेशन ऑफ सबस्टन्सेस करता येईल. So here is the end of our chapter number 14 exercise. Write all the question answer in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you.